Hello and welcome. We are pleased to present Module CCSO7 on Quality Risk Management and RCA tools. In this session, we will discuss quality risk management and root cause analysis tools, as we just mentioned. The learning objectives of this session will cover understanding quality risk management, understanding the importance of QRM in medicinal manufacturing, the tools we use in risk assessments, corrective actions, and regulatory expectations for QRM. Incorporating quality risk management or QRM is essential across diverse sectors such as finance, insurance, safety, and pharmaceuticals. Within pharmaceuticals, adherence to ICH-Q9 guidelines plays a pivotal role in effectively managing quality risks. These guidelines not only enhance organizational knowledge but also provide a structured framework for making informed decisions, thereby instilling confidence among regulatory bodies. By proactively managing risk, QRM helps mitigate the likelihood of costly product recalls and manufacturing interruptions, safeguarding both product integrity and operational continuity. Quality risk management involves evaluating the probability and severity of potential harms, which may differ across stakeholders involved. Its primary focus is on safeguarding patients through consistent drug quality and availability. QRM is indispensable for integrating digitization and cutting-edge technology into drug manufacturing and control procedures, ensuring optimal resource allocation by prioritizing areas with greater risk exposure. This systematic approach also ensures compliance with stringent regulatory standards, fostering a robust framework for pharmaceutical operations. The principles of QRM are as follows. Risk evaluations are grounded in scientific knowledge, ensuring a methodical approach to risk assessment and control. The formality and documentation of the risk management process are tailored to the level of risk, promoting efficiency and clarity. The key components of the QRM process are 1. Systematically identifying potential hazards and risks associated with specific scenarios or processes. 2. Evaluating risks by assessing the likelihood and severity of potential harms using tools like historical data, theoretical analysis, and stakeholder input. 3. Making informed decisions to reduce or accept risks based on their severity and the resources available. 4. Effectively sharing risk-related information among stakeholders to facilitate informed decision-making and regulatory compliance. And 5. Continuously monitoring and reassessing risks to incorporate new information and ensure ongoing alignment with organizational goals and regulatory requirements. Risk assessment process. 1. Initiation. The risk assessment process begins by clearly defining the problem or risk question at hand, ensuring all relevant aspects are considered. Background information is gathered comprehensively to provide a foundational understanding of the context and potential impacts. A leader is identified to oversee the risk assessment process, ensuring accountability and effective decision making. Timeline deliverables and decision making levels are specified to establish clear expectations and milestones for the assessment. Risk identification involves various techniques such as brainstorming sessions, checklists, and analysis of historical data, which are employed to systematically identify potential risks. Capturing hazards, failure modes, and vulnerabilities to comprehensively assess the scope and potential impact of each identified risk. During the risk analysis phase, the nature, origins, and potential consequences of identified risks are thoroughly examined and analysed. Tools such as failure mode and effect analysis, or FMEA, hazard analysis and critical control points, or HACCP, and hazard and operability study, or HAZOP, are utilised to systematically evaluate the risks. Detailed assessments help in understanding how risks may manifest and their implications across different scenarios. Risks are evaluated by comparing them against predefined criteria and standards established during the risk assessment initiation. Prioritization of risks is based on their potential impact on operations, product quality, safety, and compliance. Effective risk evaluation ensures that resources are allocated appropriately to manage and mitigate the most significant risks first. Thank you for watching this introduction to this module. If you'd like to watch the remainder and get 25% off our Contamination Control Fundamental program, head over to our website at pharmalliance.ie/training-programs and use code YT25OFF. Please do it now as spaces are limited and it's expiring soon. Thank you for your time. We'll see you on the next module.